into the living and the dining area. Now the kitchen has been given a straight fitted granite slab is the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom over here. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottom most price guarantee. Unlike other real estate portals जहाँ पे listing करते हैं brokers और एक inquiry पे आपको आते हैं multiple calls, यहाँ पर हम आपका contact करवाते हैं सीधे developers के साथ। खैर आज मैं एकता कपूर आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ एक बहुत ही ज्यादा खूबसूरत सैंपल फ्लैट by Vision One Developers, and this project is called New Village. Let's go and check out the sample flat. And here I am standing right outside the 1024 square feet beautiful 3 BHK apartment. Let's take a look at it from inside, but wait a second, before you go inside, we have a video door phone right over here for your safety and security, and of course, a digital door lock right over here which can be operated with your fingerprint with a numeric lock, digital key, and also a physical key. Now here at the entrance, you notice that you do not look directly into the house. So there is this foyer area which can be utilized for your shoe racks and storage units. And here comes the house. From this aisle area, we enter into the living and the dining area. Now this has been made into a proper square, unlike other homes where there is an L-shaped and because of which there is a lot of space constraint. Here it is a wide, complete one single room with the living and dining area combined. There is of course the easy access to kitchen, but before that let me show you the very big balcony that they have right over here. Now this balcony, because your living and your kitchen is the same room, that's the reason the balcony is also for both the rooms, which gives perfect ventilation and a lot of lighting. The balcony is also covered from 3 sides and the ceiling is of a wooden finish. And over here they have also provided an iron railing which is of a pretty good height, approximately 4.5 feet. Now let's get back into the dining area, and through the dining area we go into the kitchen. The kitchen has been given a straight fitted granite slab and a lot of space over here for your refrigerators or for your microwaves or for all your electronic items. This is your enclosed dry balcony area which comes with a sink and also a water outlet at one corner and a pretty big window for the perfect ventilation and an amazing lighting throughout the kitchen. Right next to the dining area over here, they have utilized this space for your wash basin, and right next to it is the common toilet and wash area. Now this comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings as a part of the standard flat furnishings. Diagonally opposite the common toilet and wash is the kids' bedroom. Now every room has been given these rubber strips so that the doors have a longer life. The window dimensions also, if you notice, are pretty low-lying windows, because of which the dimension of the window increases and there is more light inside the room. And now we're going to proceed into the guest bedroom and master bedroom. Oh, but before that, I have to tell you a little more about Housey, right? Yes. So about Housey is very simple. You will get to see sample flat videos over here, 360-degree tours over here. You will get to see pros and cons, actual location tours, project overviews, and so much more. But it does not end here. With one click on the link that's mentioned right below in the description box, you can download the e-brochure in which you will also get the all-inclusive pricing, the EMI details, the down payment details, other than all the other details that you need to know about the project. And with one simple click, you can also book your project site visit. And then your dedicated relationship manager will show you around the property, will also tell you all the other details that you need to know and guide you until the booking process, absolutely brokerage free. Now, if you missed out on this point, yes, let me again remind you, this is all brokerage free right here at Housey. Quickly register yourself on Housey and let's proceed into the guest bedroom and the master bedroom. Now, over here is the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom, of course, comes with an attached toilet and wash right over here, which comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, a space for your water heaters and geysers, and the CP sanitary fittings. Along with that, they have also given a window so that there is good ventilation and good lighting as well. And now it's time to enter into the master bedroom. Right opposite the guest bedroom over here is the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom over here is your attached toilet and wash to it, which comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and the CP sanitary fittings as well. Now, once I've talked about everything, let me also talk about my favorite part, and that is the bay window. Now, the bay window is one thing which is very beautiful because it allows you to sit and have your evening coffees right next to the window. And these two windows have been placed diagonally opposite to each other in an L shaped rather, so that there is good ventilation and also the room stays well lit all the time. Now, all these amazing things you have seen on Housey, and I want you to very quickly register yourself and do not forget to click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on any of the beautiful properties in your locality. Stay tuned. Thank you. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Vision New Will located in Vakad, Pune by Siddhivinayak Groups.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.